Just hold it on me.
Pick a weapon, get your notch point of aim. Did they cover notch point of aim with you in the class? Yes or no? Alright, I can tell right now you're in the bad notch point of aim. Okay? If I'm shooting this rifle in the prone, and I am straight out this way, see how I'm straight behind it?
Tomorrow for the
My natural tendency, whenever I do this, is going to come this way.
PT.
Okay? So you need to kick your body off. Okay?
We start shooting.
Bring that leg up, kick up. See what I'm saying? Okay, once you're in that position, okay, once you think you got your natural point of aim, I want you to close your eyes, take your barrel, dip it down, bring it back up, keeping your eyes closed. Open your eyes. You should be where you were aiming. If not, adjust your body to where you can do that.
We should use the body target system. For you, we should use the 50
Keep doing it till it. When you drop that weapon with your eyes closed and you bring it back up, open your eyes, you should be in the exact same spot you were. If you're not, you need to adjust your body position. If you're not, when you go to freaking fire in the dark, guess what's going to happen?
But that gun naturally shoots low. Without adjusting it shoots low.
All right. You good? With the magazine of 5 rounds, make a condition 3 weapon. Rounds, 30 seconds. Stand by. Fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, show clear and safe! You're safe. Hey, bolt to the rear.
Bolt to the rear.
Watch your muzzle, clear.
Ellis was hitting me with that.
Watch your muzzle. Charge that up for you.
Put that up, there you go.
Let me see your safety. All right, come to the kneeling position. Same deal. Natural point of aim. That toe should be up to the edge of the cement. Edge up to the toe to the edge. Go to the edge. Natural point of aim.
There's always one in one video.
There you go. Always put this on the meaty part, not on the bone. Just bring this up a little bit more to you, that way you're not so cocked out. There you go, like that. That way your neck's not all to the side. How's that feel? Feel better?
Good? Make a condition 3 weapon. Stand by. Fire. 1, 2, 3, 11, 23, 24, 25. Ooh, look at that. We got done beforehand? Yeah, that makes me happy. All right. Unload, show clear. Tick tock, tick tock.
Alright. Safety achieved remains safety. Put the weapon on deck.
Set on deck.
Weapon 8 sticks. Chamber, magazine.
Set on deck.
Thanks, man.